Hey there, math adventurers. Are you ready to learn a brand new math superpower? It's going to help you solve some really tricky subtraction problems. Let's get started. Okay, our first mission is this puzzle right here. 52 minus 27. This one looks a little different, doesn't it? Let's take a closer look.
So, if we look at the ones place, we have a 2 on top and a 7 on the bottom. Now wait a minute. Can you take 7 away if you only have 2? No way. So, what do we do now?
Don't you worry. This is exactly when we get to use our awesome new skill. It's called regrouping. And trust me, it's a total math superpower.
So what is regrouping anyway? Well, it's really simple. It just means the ones place needs a little boost, so it goes next door to the tens place and borrows some help. It's kind of like asking a friendly neighbor for some sugar. To really see how this works, let's break down our number, 52. See the 5? It's not just a 5. It's in the tens place. That means it's really 5 tens, or 50. And the 2 is in the ones place, so it's just 2 little ones. And poof, here's the magic. We take one of those tens from the 5, so now it only has 4 tens. And that 10 we borrowed, we give it to our 2 ones. And what's 10 plus 2? It's 12. So 52 is the exact same thing as 4 tens and 12 ones. How cool is that?
Okay, let's use this power to solve our problem. So first, we borrow a 10 from the 5. The 5 becomes a 4. Then that 10 makes our 2 become a 12. Now we can subtract. What's 12 minus 7? That's 5. And what's 4 minus 2? That's 2.
And just like that, we've got our answer. 52 minus 27 is 25. Wow, see? You're already getting the hang of this.
That was great work on the first one. Now, are you ready to try another? This time, we're going to be a team and solve it together.
Okay, team, here's our next big challenge. 86 minus 68. Let's look at those ones again. We have a 6 on top and an 8 on the bottom. So, can we take 8 away from 6? What do you think?
You got it. Nope, we can't do that. The top number is smaller. So you know what that means? It's time to go knock on our neighbor's door, the 8 in the tens place. Let's go borrow. Okay, I need your brain for this one. If we take one 10 from the 8, it becomes a 7. Then we give that whole 10 over to the 6. So what does our 6 in the ones place become now? I'll give you a second to think about it.
16! Yes! You guys are so smart. The 10 we borrowed plus the 6 we already had makes 16. Perfect. Now we're all set to subtract.
Let's start with our new and improved ones place. What is 16 minus 8? Go ahead and count on your fingers if you need to.
It's 8! Awesome job. We solved the ones place. Now let's jump over to the tens. All right, now for the easy part. Let's look at the tens place. What is 7 minus 6?
It's 1. That's it. So our tens place is 1, and our ones place is 8, which means
the answer to 86 minus 68 is 18. We did it. High five, everybody.
Okay, you've seen me do one, we've solved one together, and now it's your turn to use that superpower all by yourself.
Here are 2 super challenges just for you. First, 81 minus 23, and then 53 minus 26. Go ahead and grab a piece of paper, press the pause button right now, and give it your best shot. You can do this. Okay, are you back? Did you solve them? Let's check your incredible work. For the first problem, 81 minus 23, the answer is 58. Did you get it right? Woohoo! That's fantastic! And for our second challenge, 53 minus 26, the answer is 27. Amazing job, math superstars! And hey, even if you made a little mistake, that's totally okay. That's how our brains get stronger. You did it! You are officially a subtraction star. You have totally mastered the regrouping superpower. Let's quickly remember how your new powers work. Just remember these 3 superpower steps. Step 1. Check the ones. Is the top number smaller? Then it's time to regroup. Step 2. Go borrow a 10 from your neighbor. And step 3. Subtract your new numbers and solve the puzzle. I want you to remember this. You have a real math superpower now. The more you practice, the stronger and faster you'll get. Soon, you're going to be totally unstoppable at subtraction. Now that you know how to regroup, there are so many new math puzzles you can solve. What other tricky problems do you think you can figure out with this new superpower? Thanks for being such amazing learners today. Subtraction stars, keep practicing.